Welcome to Word of the Day. Let's expand our vocabulary together. Today's word is fickle. It means changing frequently, especially in loyalty, interest, or affection. Not constant or reliable. Here are two examples using this word. The fickle weather changed from sunny to stormy in a matter of minutes. He discovered how fickle public opinion can be when his popularity plummeted overnight. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are changeable, capricious, mercurial. Antonyms are constant, steadfast, loyal. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.